Hi friends, let's figure out where to buy cryptocurrency and what to do with it. Many people have heard of cryptocurrency, but do not really understand what it is. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It appeared first, and its main idea is a limited issue of coins that is programmed during creation. Also, the uniqueness of cryptocurrency from online banks is that it is transmitted in its ecosystem, which is called blockchain, and it works in a decentralized way. That is, anyone can become an operator, which is called a miner here. All this makes crypto something new in the world of money. It can be withdrawn to a special flash drive or computer, and after that only you have access to it, which makes it similar to cash. And where is the best place to buy it? Now some bank applications and some brokers offer cryptocurrency, but it is usually impossible to withdraw cryptocurrency from there. That is, according to their rules, you have to store and sell cryptocurrency there, and this is against the concept of cryptocurrencies. It is better to buy cryptocurrencies on a cryptocurrency exchange. Find statistics with top crypto exchanges and choose your own. To do this, simply type in Google top crypto exchanges. Binance is the most popular right now and has a huge trading volume. I also buy cryptocurrency there, but that doesn't mean that you have to use this exchange. The interface and features on any exchange is not the same. You can also trade here on a cryptocurrency exchange with any other cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. If you don't know what our cryptocurrencies exist, you can study their statistics and history on the special sites. From myself, I recommend to pay attention to Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Monero. These are time-proven coins. To start using Binance, simply click on the register button on the top right side of the website page. I will leave the link to the site in the description, or find it on Google. It's easy. As with any other cryptocurrency exchange, you will need to verify your identity. This is a quick process that should not take more than a few hours for consideration. Let's see how to use this platform. At first, registration. Everything is simple. Here it asks you for your email address and password. Also, you can enter your phone number. After that, usually you have to enter a confirmation code from your email or phone. When you have created an account, you need to go through the procedure of knowing your client. I'm doing it in a mobile app. Just find up an App Store or Google Play in your phone. Then, when you open the application, log into your account, and the button for verification will appear. Click on it, and then enter your country of residence, and then enter your name, surname, and correct date of birth. At last, verify it with your passport or government-issued ID card. Then take a selfie and everything is done. After that, you will be able to use all the features of the exchange. It will be possible to buy cryptocurrency with a bank card, or through the bank deposit if the amount is large and you don't want to pay commission. On this platform, there are always options to deposit funds through P2P. Go to the appropriate section and you will see a lot of bank applications and people who make transfers. But here, all transfers have to be done manually, and Binance acts as a guarantor. It is better to be guided here by reviews. Selling cryptocurrency and receiving money to your bank account or card is similar to a bank card, direct transfer to a bank account, or via P2P. When the funds were put into the exchange, the fastest way to exchange them for a crypto at the current exchange rate is conversion, or place orders at the desired price on spot market. But you need at least a little understanding of how the market works. That the order will be triggered when the market price is the same as in your order. You can also deposit cryptocurrency that you bought on another exchange or handed to you, for example by a friend. But pay attention to the choice of network when depositing cryptocurrency. It must be the same one in which the transfer is made, otherwise the translation can get lost. When the desired cryptocurrency for the deposit and network are selected, you will receive a personal unique wallet number. You can deposit crypto to Binance and sell it and withdraw it to your bank account. After buying cryptocurrency or transferring it to Binance, you will be able to see your balance in crypto and its value to dollars. You can find this information in the dashboard of your account. It will show also the statistic of price changes in dollars over time. And if you bought cryptocurrency on an exchange but you want to keep it in your personal wallet, you can go to the wallet of the exchange and withdraw it. To do this, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click button withdraw and enter the address and network of the wallet to which you want to send and how much coins. But pay special attention to the choice of network when withdrawing cryptocurrency. By the way, if you use my links to register an account, you will get additional bonuses up to $30,000 depending on the exchange, which will be available in the reward hub after signing up. Dear friends, that's all for this one. If you enjoyed the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and goodbye.